Hi, welcome to How to Cook. This is about to get very weird. If you don't want to see weird, you can turn off this video right now. If you stick with it and watch this out, just know you were warned. Alright, let's go.
Hi y'all! You know those videos makes us things and she gets a big old tray and puts all kinds of crazy stuff there because her husband just loves this meal. Oh my god, I can't believe it, it's so good.
Yeah, I hate that lady. She does those videos and she gets like 80 million views on that. She's like, oh my god, and all she does is just throw bags of food in it that don't belong in there. This is that video. But with me. So, good luck to you. Ham casserole. Now, I'm not doing that voice the whole time, in case you were wondering, because it'd be funny as hell, but I'm not doing that. In case she tunes in. Maybe she missed that part where I just made fun of her. But I have a feeling that one of the 80 million people that watches her videos is going to say, hey, you know, that guy's making fun of you, but, you know, you'll have to say some weird thing that, like, only dogs can hear. Seriously though, I don't understand those videos at all. I mean, they just put like random stuff in one of those foil disposable baking tin things, and it's it's so good, and you just scoop it out and the whole thing. 80 million views on that? Come on, I sat through the whole thing. That lady didn't get naked once. Who was tuning in for the recipe on that? And I'm like, oh my god, you put a whole bag of potato chips in there and hot dogs. Ooh, it's so good. No. Okay. But, well, now, can't beat him, join him. So, I will not be getting naked in this video either. Don't leave me that comment. Don't want to hear it. Not happening. I put my foot down. I mean, unless it's like really tasteful or something, it's integral to the plot or something. I mean, everything's negotiable. But we're not doing that on this channel. We're making a ham casserole, and we're using 2 boxes of scalloped potatoes, some country ham that's just had laying around from, you know, the whatever Jubilee thing or hootenanny that lady was going to or something. I have no idea what that lady does or what the deal is. I only saw the one video. I don't know. But here's some of our ingredients. Hopefully this is in frame. We've got carrots, we've got milk, we've got some heavy cream, we've got this, we've got some paprika, some of these. This is something she would use. Oh, and this is 100%. So there you go, the heavy cream. I'm really stepping that up quite a bit. We've got all kinds of cheeses, and that's my 3 cups of boiling water beeping at me right now on cue. So let's get started. I've got 3 cups. 3 cups of boiling water right here. We're going to take and spray this pan down because I am also the dishwasher. I do everything around here. Not everything, obviously. But, you know, you do what you can with what you got. All right, we are putting our 3 cups of boiling water in here. This is really, really hot and steamy.
It's steamy, y'all.
I don't get it. I don't get it. All right, now we have 1.5 cups of whole milk. We got 1 cup of heavy cream. All right, I put an extra 1/2 cup in there because we want that delicious. We certainly do. Now we're going to tear into our boxes. I didn't even prep these to open them up. Can you believe this? What on earth was I thinking? My oven is up to temperature. I think you heard that beep 2 seconds ago. That's why I checked all the cameras. I hear beeps. I get nightmares because these things just randomly shut off for no reason. I'm gonna need scissors. Hold on. It's still me. I have to forget something. Okay. I got scissors. I'm back. Let's get the second box open here. Everything in life, they don't make things better except glue, apparently. That's the one thing they make better. All right, we are going to cut these open. We're going to get our cheese sauce packets in here because they are cheesy saucy packets. Packets of cheesy sauce. Okay, this is a 13 by 9 pan. I might have mentioned that. I might not have. I don't know. No, I haven't been drinking yet. Check me by the end of the video. We shall see where this goes. All right. Wow. That one just wanted to come out one little bit at a time. All right, I'm gonna grab a, of course I don't have a spoon. All right, we're just gonna mix this up real good, y'all. Told you I wouldn't do it the whole time, didn't say I wouldn't do it again. Okay, a whisk would probably work better at this. Or a hand blender, maybe I could get one of those old-timey ones that you crank. That'd be good. I'm making a mess. I'm making quite a mess. I don't know how there's going to be room for all this stuff, but there is. So we're going in with a box of potatoes, one box going down. We're going to mix this around. Now we have cheese going down here. First, I'm going to dump the carrots because they're in my way. This is about 4 carrots, just cut into fancy little bits, you know, just cut them diagonally after you clean them, do the whole thing. All right, now we've got cheese. What kind of cheese do I have? I have some packages of sandwich cheese. I have Swiss and I have provolone, 4 slices of each. You know why I use 4 slices? So that you can count them on one hand. Like she probably has to. I don't know. I'm not insulting people from the South. I'm just, that lady bugs the hell out of me. But she's doing something right. So, if you can't beat him, join him. So I'm just going to cut these into strips, which then welds them all together, which makes it a complete pain in the butt, because now you have to really work to straighten all these out. If you have a block of this, it works much better, but can you imagine that lady shredding her own cheese? No. If anybody knows who I'm talking about, leave in the comments. I want to see who you're guessing. There's a bunch of them, I know. All right, cheese going down, hopefully. Okay, we're just going to equal all this out. We put the rest of it. This is the provolone. It's going to go down. Not all of it this time. We're going to save a little provolone for the top because we want a layer of cheese on top and we got a lot of Swiss down below where they belong. Because they got the holes in them, they don't float. They sink because the holes. Come on. All right. What do you think of it? All right. This is I've grated this myself. Okay, I'm only willing to take the bit so far. I'm not using that tube of cheese. You know, so this is freshly grated parmesan right here, and some romano. I'm putting about half down on that.
Oh, that looks so good, y'all. Now we should go in here. Oh, we should totally put the ham in. Oh my God, let me go get the ham. Okay, y'all, I got some country ham here's left over for the Jubilee for Jesus. We just had a little bit left over here. This came off the smoker. Oh my God, it's so good, y'all. We just gotta put this whole thing in, huh? Yeah, there it is.
Okay, I'm done with that voice. I am so done with that voice. I hope that voice haunts me. That's why it's been in my head since I saw that. I'm like, why? I don't get it. Anybody knows why? Why is that person famous? I don't get it. I know we're supposed to have blinders on and not care about anybody else in the whole thing, but you see something like that and you're like, I've lost faith in humanity. It's hard not to. All right. Ham, carrots, cheese. What do we need? Another box of taters.
We're gonna put them taters on there. Now, if you have some potato chips, you can probably use them, y'all. Don't put the whole box in. Let's throw this in the trash.
Okay. I'm done. But one of these days I expect her to just put the box in. Or, I don't know. Maybe she did. I only saw the one video. I can only take that much. There's only so much a man can see before he can't unsee it. And I've already crossed the Rubicon on that one. All right, we're putting this in. Oh, this looks so good, y'all. Oh, we gotta put some of this stuff on here. Oh, we gotta put some. I used my spoon for that. Dang it. Hang on. Okay. We're gonna just, this is a garlic, as I call it. Hate me if you want, but there are certain things this is actually good for. Something like this is actually good for it. It kind of mutes it a little bit as far as the flavor goes, like a roasted garlic would. Because if you get garlic to, 140 degrees, the really, really powerful stuff kind of mellows out quite a bit. And it's kind of like that. So we're gonna put a little paprika.
Oh, it's my favorite spice.
Okay, sorry. That was actually from Bachelor Party, but in her voice because she's still in my head. Right, we're just gonna smash this down, y'all. Again, I'm not making fun of anyone from the South. I'm making fun of that person, that one specific person. It's different. It's okay. And that's how that works. Hey, the ice maker dropped ice, which is new for that. Gotta get out of this house. That fridge is not our fridge. That came with the house that we're renting here, and it's horrible. There you go. Ice maker works when it wants to, just randomly. We're putting more provolone down. Okay, we are putting the rest of our parm. The rest of our romano is gonna be so good. Woo! Okay, we're gonna tamp this down a little bit, y'all. You want to put a can of corn in here? Don't tell me about it. Don't tell anybody about that, because that. Carrots are the only vegetable you're allowed. You can put anything you want in. I don't care. Again, cooking is just a starting point. Something like this, a recipe, ask any chef. It's a starting point. Unless you're making a cake, it's a starting point. So if you see something you want to put in there, leave me in the comments. Tell me what it is. Do one of these things there. And yeah, just tell me what should go in this. You know what else should go in it? Some panko breadcrumbs on top. Because you want that crusty top on this, don't you? So we're just going to sprinkle this out. I got a 1/4 cup scoop here and see how far it gets us. I think a 1/4 cup is going to be the right amount. You don't want to put too much because too much is much too much. There you go. 1/4 cup of panko. Somebody's writing this down someplace, right? Okay. I moved a few things. I have to do that in between basically doing everything in here. Piece of advice, not really dad advice, but a piece of advice. Don't pick a house you're going to live in off the internet without ever seeing it. I don't care what the people tell you. You got to set foot in that place before you walk in there. Because this kitchen in the pictures look twice this big. It's not. Been here 2 years now, stuck in limbo. Yeah, that sucks. So, anyways, this is going in the oven. I'm done complaining. No, I'm not. I'm not done complaining. The day I get out of this kitchen is the day I'm done complaining. So hit that subscribe thing down there so YouTube sends tons of people this way and the channel starts making money and I can get a house. There you go. Ha! I have the down payment and the whole thing. I can't find a house. So if you have a big, beautiful house with an amazing kitchen that you want to sell to me ridiculously under market, and my dog, with it, I'll tell him, with a doggy door and a big yard and lots of trees for Rufus to pee on, then yeah, just shoot me an email, leave it in the comments, something like that. Just let me know. You know, we can work something out. Cool. All right, this go in the oven. I got it set to 400 because I don't want to burn all the cheese and everything on this. Box normally says 450, but if you do that, you go to black top. Don't do that. 400 degrees, about 40-45 minutes. We'll be back.
All right, y'all, we're back and we're done with it inside the oven. We're gonna eat this.
Okay, I'm gonna stop doing that. That lady won't get out of my head. All right, this thing took a little bit longer. Took about 48 minutes. It's okay. Depending on what you're doing, you want it to have a nice bit of a crust and patina. It's still going to be bubbling like crazy as soon as you take this out. You got to let this cool down for about 15 minutes because it is nuclear hot, y'all. Nuclear. Because, you know, oh boy. We're going to cut into this thing. We're going to plate it. We're going to taste it. We're going to do that. And then I'm going to say thank you for watching. But we got to get it out of here first. So I have a sharp knife-ish. We're just going to start tearing in and cutting out pieces. Y'all. And again, I don't even know if the lady says y'all all that much. But maybe it's just in my head. I just picture her doing that. I don't know. Okay, this is soupy because there's a lot of extra cream in here. I put an extra half a cup of heavy cream in this. You know why? Because I had it. I'm not putting half a cup of heavy cream back in the fridge. What am I going to do with that? Come on. This is useless. So we are just scooping out some of this with all this heavy cream. Y'all. I'm trying something new with this video. If you haven't noticed, if you're a regular on this channel, please tell me what I'm doing. Because I don't take life very seriously. Literally this lady's been living in my head for like a month and a half now. I got to get this out. I'm exercising demons with this video. And we're making some ham casserole. So, 2 birds with 1 stone. Isn't it sad that we literally keep a phrase around from back when the state of the art, the actual pinnacle of technology, was killing birds with stones? We think we're all fancy. No. All right, let's get this. Now it seemed like there was a ton of cheese in here, but it doesn't seem like there's a ton of cheese in here right now because this is soupy. Oh, look at how saucy that is. It's a saucy mince. We got that little bit of paprika in here and the garlic and the onions and all of this. That is one saucy casserole. That's really saucy. Okay. So apparently a half a cup of extra cream, heavy cream in there is probably too much. Oh well, what are you gonna do? Sue me. Get your money back. Call YouTube and say, I watched that whole video and that guy screwed that up terribly. I want my money back. And see what happens. Good luck. All right, that is this. Yeah, okay, a little less heavy cream. Probably just 1 cup would be perfect. I'm gonna shoot a thumbnail real fast because that is just gorgeous, isn't it? That's the whole reason you clicked on this, is because that looks so perfect right there. You're like, oh my god, I have to know what that beautiful piece of food is. All right, so I'm gonna do that real fast. Hold on 1 second. All right, this is looking amazing. We got a couple of Hawaiian rolls here. I just cut them in half, put a little butter in them, stuck it in the oven for about 15 minutes, and they are nice and lovely. Got that little bit of crispy on them. That's how you love Hawaiian rolls. Hawaiian rolls and ham casserole. It is a match made in heaven. Do that, crazy lady. Y'all. Okay, I got to taste a bit of this because, come on. This is amazing. So I have, okay, try and get a potato. All right, I got a potato, I got a carrot. I got this, there's steam pouring off of this. God help me. I'm going in. What it lacks in beauty, it makes up for in flavor. Oh. Oh, if you're looking for a creamy ham casserole, that is the creamiest, most delicious ham casserole there is. Maybe that's the appeal of that crazy lady, is that the food actually tastes good. I would have no idea because there's no way in hell. There's no concept in my head of putting a pound of cheese on top of a bag of Funyuns. I'm not doing that, but that I'm doing because it's delicious and it's easy. You saw this, super simple. It's buy a couple things, throw a couple stuff together, boom, and we're eating that because it's so good. So thanks for watching this video. You can do all these things, and if this wasn't too weird, hopefully see you in the next one. Until then, have a good one. Thanks for watching.